Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Nissan Titan. First, gather your tools like a wrench, drain pan, and new oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not too hot, for optimal oil flow. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. This provides the necessary space to access the drain plug and oil filter underneath. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using a wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. While it's draining, inspect the drain plug and its gasket for any damage, replacing the gasket if needed. Next, move your drain pan under the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Expect a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional turn of about 3/4. Once the old oil is drained and the new filter is on, securely replace the drain plug. Now, carefully pour the manufacturer-recommended amount of new oil into the engine's fill port. Use your dipstick to check the oil level, ensuring it's within the proper range. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick to confirm the level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.